street, I wash and see. Neka K9 taking over the scene. Ha, I'm the life of the party. Effing come at the bang, that's my name. In the club on the streets, I watch and see. Neka K9 taking over the scene. Let me show you a good time. Party like we're the last of the mankind. Walk up, play hard, that's the anthem. Allow me to introduce me K9. Ha, wait a minute, let me show you. Many, many good things I'ma show you. When you step on the floor, then go ya. Ain't no baby, do the damn thing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with the way coming, I come the late night show. As they be like this, correct? That's still the late night show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we say welcome again. How on a day take go? I still remain your boy, your blood, your every on the matter. You know, as it is a be. Ogballs, baby, you know. Easy bit now. Come on, do this thing now. But that's my name. What's wrong with you? You didn't hate on me. What's wrong about you? What's wrong about you? So, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome on top of the show. Today, we get several crazy, wicked, they're funny brothers in the building. They'll follow me down top of the show today. First, MC Ajele, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That republic, I always jump out. Federal Republic of Nigeria.
If you rush, now you jump.
And now they jump out. All right, so Ajela go join me inside the show, followed by Open Teeth, another wicked comedian. And then we'll get one upcoming act who will give opportunity to take show himself on top of the show. And the name now Aaron's B. So all of us go down top of the show today. The show go crazy, go wicked, it go blood, it go every. All right, so when I sit back, when I relax, when I no shake body at all. Now still the late night show on top of Wazobia TV. Now we day so. All right, so make una run, go Twitter. When I go there, go to make una comment. All of una, we go make sure say we dey read everything. Today, self, we go read out some other ones. And then the word for the day will drop yesterday. We go see how everything take go today on top of the show. All right, so we'll match this break. By the time we come back, we'll start the show official. Easy beat, take it away. Yeah.
JP's